How to sign into your eBay application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign into your eBay application. So if you haven't already, make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed the eBay application from your Play Store or App Store, and simply open the application just like this. And here you should get the two different choices or options in the home screen, that is to register or sign in. So if you already have an account, you can just head over to sign in, and you can just sign in using your email address or username which you use to register your account, or you can also sign in with your Facebook as well as Google account. So let me just quickly Google account, but if you don't have one you can always create one. So in this example I will simply show you from an username or email and password. So simply enter your email as well as your password, and if you are using username you can also do that, and simply click on sign in. And if you ever forget your password, you can just tap on this reset your password button over here to successfully reset your password. So once you do all of that, you should be successfully signed into your eBay application. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.